This is Emmett from the Lego Movie. He goes through a process called mitosis in order to duplicate his cells. The first step of mitosis is called interphase. It lasts for 90% of the cell cycle. Right now, we are going to draw inside of one of Emmett's cells.
In the cell there's a nucleus. The nucleus is basically the control center of the cell. It controls everything the cell does, like a teacher controls a classroom.
Being drawn next is going to be chromosomes. The chromosomes are like books of laws or directions.
The cell cycle length depends on the number of chromosomes in the cell. For example, Emmett's cells may have a longer process because they might have more chromosomes.
In case you wanted to know, the cell cycle is a process of cell division. Mitosis is a part of the cell cycle in which cells divide to increase their numbers.
Here's an even closer look on the inside of one of Emmett's cells. A question to think about is, what if a city's energy could duplicate in the same way? Emmett's city in the Lego Movie would probably really benefit from this idea.
Here
if it
is
was
the
real.
nucleus. Here is the cell.
Next comes the chromosomes.
The third phase is called metaphase. During metaphase, the chromosomes line up along the center of the cell to prepare for the next phase.
This can be compared to copying papers and sorting them afterwards.
This next phase is called anaphase. During anaphase, the chromosomes are separated and begin to move to opposite ends of the cell.
Next happening is telophase, where the cell divides along the center. The process where one cell divides into two is called cytokinesis.
The chromosomes are now doubled and put on opposite ends of the cell.
The cell has now completely separated into two cells, each with two chromosomes inside.
The result is Emmett's parent cell being turned into two daughter cells.
Now Emmett's two new cells will repeat the cell cycle again to create even more.
Thank you for watching our video on the cell cycle.